We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Korean martial art. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names of other martial arts too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in Korean, since that's the origin of the name, this is said as Taekwondo, 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 or something really along those lines. In English though, it is generally said as Taekwondo, Tai-Kwon-Do, with an emphasis on the second syllable, Taekwondo. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names, including of Japanese martial arts, whose pronunciations aren't obvious and many get them wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.